In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a colorful text effect in Canva using a simple built-in method that looks professional and eye-catching. If you want your thumbnails, social media posts, or presentations to stand out with vibrant, multicolor text, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any tips. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials just like this. All right. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Log into your account and open the design where you want to add the colorful text effect. This can be a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, presentation slide, or any custom-sized design. Once your design is open, click on the text option from the left-hand sidebar and either add a new heading or select existing text that you want to transform. Now click directly on the text box so it's highlighted. At the top toolbar, you'll see an option called Effects. Go ahead and click on Effects. This is where Canva allows you to apply different styles to your text. Instead of choosing the basic shadow or outline styles, look for the Apps option within the Effects panel. From the Apps section, search for and choose Typecraft. This tool allows you to create more advanced and colorful typography styles compared to the default Canva effects. Click on Typecraft, and it will open a new panel with different text style options. Here you'll see a variety of colorful presets and creative text designs. Browse through the available styles and select your favorite one. You'll notice options that include gradients, multicolor fills, layered shadows, and vibrant combinations that instantly make your text pop. Once you find a style you like, click on it and then select Add to Design. Canva will now generate that colorful text as a new element inside your project. You can click and drag it to reposition it anywhere on your canvas. Resize it by dragging the corner handles to make it larger or smaller, depending on your layout. This makes it perfect for titles, headings, or focal points in your design. If you want to customize it further, click on the text element again. Depending on the selected style, you may be able to adjust the colors, font, or letter spacing from the top toolbar. Experiment with different combinations to match your brand colors or the theme of your design. For example, you can use bright contrasting colors for energetic content or softer gradients for a more elegant look. Another helpful tip is to duplicate the colorful text layer if you want to create a stacked or layered effect. Simply right-click and duplicate, then slightly offset the second layer to create depth. This works especially well for thumbnails and promotional graphics where you want bold visibility. You can also combine this colorful text effect with background elements. Try adding shapes, gradients, or images behind the text to enhance the overall visual impact. Just make sure your text remains readable by maintaining strong contrast between the text and background. Once you're happy with your design, click on Share in the top right corner and download your file in your preferred format, whether that's PNG, JPEG, or PDF. And just like that, you've successfully created a colorful text effect in Canva that looks dynamic and professional. As you can see, using the Effects panel together with the Typecraft app makes it incredibly easy to create vibrant, multicolor text without needing advanced graphic design skills. With just a few clicks, you can transform plain text into something bold and engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva design tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kind of text effects you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.